So I'm juicing bananas here at the Heirloom Expo. This is with my favorite juicer, the Nama J2. And I got these ladies in front of me to prove that I just cut up the bananas. I put it in the juicer to show you guys that the banana pulp is coming out just like I did in the video, right? And you guys can see the banana juice coming out over on this side. All right, ladies, you guys saw me do the whole thing. Is this legit or am I scamming people?
It is legit.
It's legit. And you ladies are gonna try some of this banana juice in a second. All right. All right, so I just poured these ladies some banana juice. So I want you guys taste it and tell me what you think.
There we go.
Fresh banana juice made in the Nama. You guys saw the whole process.
Oh, it's good. It's smooth.
Doesn't it taste like bananas, but maybe a little bit bitter? You got a little bitter tinge or no?
It tastes bitter. It's really like you're drinking a banana. Right?
Like you're drinking a banana. Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
A banana. It's good.
Yeah, it's amazing, huh? Made in the Nama J2.
Made in the Nama J2.
Straight up.
Yeah, this is good. It is. And it only has a little pulp.